have the next one, and we have here your. Ooh, this another one. I cannot read this one, but yeah, this is the MS06CK, and as I know, this is the Zaku half cannon. Yeah, it's a half cannon, half cannon, because it has a cannon at the side, and it's from the GTO or from the Gundam the Origin series. So yeah, so it should be like this one at the side. Yeah, and I would like to see it again and again. Such an unboxing, every unleashing here. I just really want to check so that I can really let you know that if it's really the kit or not. Okay. The brown, maybe it's not yet. It will not yet register to me that this is a good color of brown. But it has two kinds of brown, not just.